Problem 23. The large circle has diameter AC. Two small circles have their centers on AC and just touch at O. The center of the large circle. Each small circle has radius 1. What is the ratio of the area of the shaded region to the area of one small circle? The choices are between 1/2 and 1. Exactly 1. Between 1 and 3/2. Between 3/2 and 2. And cannot be determined. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. The large circle has radius 2, area 4 pi. Shaded equals top half of large minus top halves of the two small. Compare to one small circle. So the ratio is exactly 1, choice B.